Yeah, I mean, AutoMine Core is really the combination of 20 years of experience that Sandvik's built in the automation space, and it's combining existing products that we have into one comprehensive and interoperable platform. Our AutoMine Fleet product, which has been on the market for over 20 years, as well as our AutoMine MPM manual production monitoring product, which assists the operations in ramping up their manual operations into autonomous operations with tracking of material movement for block cave operations, for example. So really what we've done with this product is combined the two into one platform, and also are providing additional advanced capabilities and interoperability with our advanced safety system, and also interfacing into third-party systems at the mine sites, for example, SCADA systems, to be able to accommodate customizations for the site-specific requirements that we encounter with these system or solution implementations. Yeah, I mean, our main target here is to be able to accommodate zero entry into these large footprints that we operate our solutions in. And one example of how we accommodate this for interoperable fleets is to be able to utilize our safety system. And one of the key characteristics with our safety system, which allows for mixed manual operations and introducing equipment into the operational area by creating dynamic zoning within the system. So we can enter without stopping autonomous operations, third-party equipment into the footprint by opening up autonomous and also manual zones by changing the statuses of our safety system. So that's one key characteristic that we can allow for. The other one is through the use of location tracking can also introduce third-party fleets and teleremote into the systems as well. So for example, secondary braking, introducing third-party fleets into the system without stopping the production is one area where we focus on for our AutoMine Core platform. Well, the first thing is around competence development. I think first and foremost, our customers and the end users need to be able to effectively utilize the system. And we provide a comprehensive suite and also have a full suite of tools that we can provide to our customers in order to be able to train their personnel and workforce on how to best utilize AutoMine solutions. The other way in which we can support our customers as well is through lifecycle services, which is an offering that we can provide in multiple forms, both remote all the way up to on-site support, where we can provide the customer with a suitable level of support for their needs to be able to operate and maintain the solution. And this includes support for spare parts, for example, and maintenance management of the entire fleet. Yeah, in our view, the mine of the future is it's electrified, it's automated, and it's digital. And what that means is that autonomous operations are allowing for us to operate equipment safely and pull people away from the hazardous environments. Electrified mine providing cleaner environment for us to be able to work. So battery electric, tethered electric equipment within the mine site, reducing the carbon emissions that we see. DPM in particular within the mine sites, and then also digital, connecting all of the elements of information that we can to provide a more efficient operation. Connectivity, of course, plays a key role in this, and this is one of the areas where that we see big advancements across the entire world. And in general, when we look at the workforce, there's a lot of opportunity to create safer and working environment for the people and the mines. And the operators of today that are manually operating the equipment, of course, will be working in safer environments from control rooms in the future. But then also when we talk about the workforce itself, there will be a shift of skills then as well within the workforce that will then be needed in order to accommodate these new technologies. And this is one of the core things that we see now as a big need with the skills gap that we have within the industry in general, is that there's going to be higher need for, skills to support automation, electrification, and also the digital elements of the mine. And this is really where the focus will be in shifting the workforce. So there will be, of course, a change in the places that we're working and the skills that are required, but then the workforce itself just shifting alongside those to be able to accommodate. That's how we view it from the mine of the future point of view.